Let us understand how to truncate tables. Truncate works only for managed tables, it doesn't work for external tables. When it comes to truncating the managed tables, only data will be deleted, structure will be retained. Let's launch Spark SQL and perform this task to understand how the truncate works. So first, I'm actually creating the database if it doesn't exist. Let us see the list of tables we have. If the table already exists here, you can actually drop the table by saying drop table. If exists orders, it will take care of dropping the table. Once the table is dropped, you can then create the table and then you can actually load the data into the table. As we haven't specified external keyword here, it means it's a managed table and we should be able to preview the data after loading into it by using the select star from command, and you should be able to see the 10 records. If you want, you can also run count to get the number of records from the table. Now if you use truncate table orders, and if you try to truncate orders table, it will just remove the files from the folder pointed by this Spark Metastore table. Now if I run this command, it will not show any results because the files are deleted. This is how truncate works on managed table. Now if you have external table rather than managed table, let me first drop this table orders and go here and run this command with external keyword here and also the location. It will take care of creating the external table. You can actually load the data by saying overwrite rather than into, so that if data already exists, it will just overwrite. So I just have to say overwrite into table like this here. It will take care of overwriting the existing files if that folder already contains the files. Now I should go back here and I should be able to run this select star from orders. And now if I try to truncate this external table, it will just fail saying that operation not allowed, truncate table on external tables, and it will give us the database name and table name. So this is how the truncate table works on managed tables, and it will not work on the external tables.